triangle is just portions of the circle. And I'm going to show you an example right here. If you look to the lower right hand, we got a triangle right here. It's a 3-4-5 triangle. Okay, and a 3-4-5 triangle, the three angles that add up to be 180 degrees, we know one of them is 90 down here, but the other two is 53.130 degrees, and the other angle is 36.8 degrees. Now the circle is symmetrical and it mirrors itself. And if we have a 5-inch diameter circle, if you go up to 36.8 degrees, which is this angle, it will be 3 inches tall. And then if you go up to 53.130 degrees, you'll find that this circle is 4 inches tall. But whenever you are up to 53.130 degrees, and you got the height right here, opposite, if you got 0 to 90, you'll find that you hit the 36.8 degree mark, and that's the width of the circle, and it's also the leg of the triangle, and then the hypotenuse will be the diameter. It goes right back through the center, and that's your 3-4-5 triangle. This is where the teaching will have you jumping up and down praising God for His awesomeness. So we have found our triangle and the circle that it belongs to, but what we have really found is 3 diameters of a ball. So whenever you take the main diameter, the hypotenuse of the triangle, which is 5 inches, and multiply it by the true value of pi, you'll get the circumference, which is 15.58845726 inches. And that's the circumference for the ball all the way around the center of the circle. Don't matter how you turn it, as long as you're going through the 90-degree portion, the center of the circle. And whenever you move down to 53.130 degrees, the ball is 4 inches tall. And whenever you multiply 4 by the true value of pi, you'll get the circumference all the way around this spot, which is 12.4707658.144 inches. And whenever you go to the bottom, call that 0, and come up the side to 36.8 degrees, the ball now is 3 inches wide. And whenever you take 3 and multiply by pi, you'll get 9.35307.43608 inches, and that's the circumference at this point of the ball all the way around. And now we're going to